everybody, welcome back. So today I'm starting out with some cute tape, okay, on the ends, you know. I'm gonna be taking my favorite palette, which is from eBay. This is their 180 palette, and I'm gonna take these two pinks. I'm gonna apply these two pinks in the crease. Then I took the green from the palette, and I'm going to be taking the green and I'm going to be applying it in our crease as well, right up under the pink. Make sure that you're blending each shade that you do apply, because applying to shades can be kind of difficult. So without it being noticed, making sure that you go back with the same exact brush, with the same exact product, and apply back and forth until it looks nice. So now I'm just going to be cutting the crease. Then I'm going to be going in with the purple, a darker purple, and this purple here, I'm just going to be going right up under the line so we can have open space for the color. And I'm going to be taking the same exact green that I used from the crease as well, and doing the same exact step. Look how vibrant this green is. Oh my gosh. This green is so pigmented. It's so gorgeous. I like it. And then after I apply the green, I'm going to make sure that I am using the same exact brush. Only the same exact brush, because even though it allows the process of applying the green to look a little bit more better and also easier, I'm going to be taking the Ulta pigment. Oh my gosh, this pigment in Meza is the bomb.com, you guys. It's just amazing. Okay, so now I'm just taking the black shade and I'm going right where that line is. I thought about using a different color, but I was going to see how black will look. But at the end of the day, it turned out okay. Based by the Instagram photo. Follow me on Insta. Beauty by Deanna D, by the way. Yes. So now I'm applying eyeliner, which is a Muse Cosmetics. I'm going to apply some lashes, and that completes